Hello, everyone, and welcome. I just wanted to show you a little bit of an improvement we brought to our game with our character Charlie, which now has random idle animations. So we have 6 different idle animations. There's one default animation, which is this animation that is running right now. And I added a little bit of code that will randomly play some variations and loop over those variations a random number of times, which brings a lot more life to the character, don't you think? So this is done all. This is a spine animation, so it works a little bit different than if you had a classic and a 2D animation with Unity's animation system or with Animancer or whatever. But essentially, what I do is I create a variations for whatever animation, and whenever an animation runs that has variations, it will look up different variants and see if it needs to play them. And here you can see the animation that's playing right now. He's idle default, arm swinging. Now he's idle default. Idle default is the base animation, and now we'll go back to idle default's arm swinging. So now if I make Charlie angry, here Charlie angry is just gonna loop like this, but nothing happens. There's no variations on this one. But if I go back to idle default, where is it? Where is it? Idle default. Well, then it's gonna start idle default, and it's gonna start changing the animations again. There you go. It swings and blinks. So this brings a lot more life to the character. Hope you like this, and we'll see you in another update. Goodbye, everyone, and have a great weekend.